Hi, everybody, and this is the CodeChris Show. Welcome. I am your host, CodeChris. Today, I want to talk to you about what is going on with this channel. Just a little bit of an update. So, one of the things that has sort of happened is I'm trying to sort of cater and mold and build this YouTube channel into something that I want and enjoy doing, almost like a little bit of a hobby, right? And with that, discuss topics that I want to cover, right? But while still covering a large group and theme, right? And so I like technology, right? And things that I'm learning about, I want to go ahead and share on this channel. And I'm going to be honest with you, you may not like all the topics, but hopefully I can make it more interesting for you or something that is thought-provoking. My hope is to build some questions, to build some intrigue around various topics around technology in general, and maybe just some of the things that I'm learning about different technologies. Yes, right now crypto is the hot thing and everybody's talking about it. Then the reality is that I actually am interested in cryptocurrency. I am interested in the blockchain. I'm literally reading about this stuff in detail because I want to understand the underlying technology. I come from a background of being a developer, so I know about the internet, and I'm interested in the direction of the internet, and I'm interested in technology. I'm interested in all that kind of tech related news stuff. I do have an overlap a little bit with politics, but not just politics in general, but more specifically how technology overlaps with those politics. I'm a big movie guy. I love movies. So I want to talk about some of the technology overlaps with movies. And see how that factors in. I want to bring on guests from all different backgrounds and fields that essentially we can have discussions about, topics that you would want to talk about at the dinner table. Something that's interesting. I don't want the same echo chamber about why this is good or why this is bad. I want to kind of have some interesting insights, a little bit of pushback, a little bit of questioning of like, well, why is it done this way? Perhaps maybe there's something that I'm missing, maybe it's something that somebody else is missing. And I would love to have those conversations, listen to those insights, and kind of explore some really cool ideas that I just feel just don't get covered in traditional setups, right? This whole set right here, this whole set, I kind of have an influence from the late night shows, right? Where they would bring on guests, they have their little monologues and all that stuff. And I'm still building the formula. So please hold with me while I'm building this structure. I'm building this formula. It'll be a good sort of thing to kind of watch grow and become whatever it is it's going to be, right? And if you want to partake in that molding, in that building, leave a comment down below. Let me know what works, what doesn't, what's interesting to you, what's not interesting to you, right? But given the information that I provided here, given some of what you've already started to see in some of the past videos, what's working, what's not. And I already have notes about, what I think is good, what I think is bad. When it comes to the other things like SEO, thumbnails, whatever, those are experimentation. Those are things that I can explore and figure out. But it is the actual content of the show that I need to kind of still structure and flesh out. And while that process is happening, please be sure to subscribe. Please be sure to tune in and let me know your thoughts because essentially this will become a community. And when it does, it's going to be really, really nice to sort of know who was involved with that community. And their insights do have a little extra weight from their, constant feedback, constructive criticism, and all of that, right? So with all that being said, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.